All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are working on our half bath. And what you're looking at here are the doors that I made. Uh, and I'll show you where they're going to go in a moment or two. But I like doing this little drama. I'm going to turn on my shop lights and show you that it is like daylight when you turn them on. That's the right side. And this is the left side. Very, very important to have all kinds of lighting when you're trying to be safe and see what you're doing. So at any rate, this is SC Custom Designs. We have close to 1,000 videos at this point up on YouTube on a variety of subjects. And through the years, I put my projects up there. We like to do tool reviews, not sponsored really by any of these companies yet. That being said, though, if we look here, this is called the Hungry Chicken Country Store in Rotterdam Junction, New York. My favorite mug at the moment. We are now having our items in this place and being sold there. My wife and my items. So we're very excited about that, to have that kind of exposure. We have also a craft show coming up. So at any rate, let's get on with it. So this is 1 to 2 doors. I threw those together yesterday. It's basically Luan and pine, cut to size. And what I'll end up doing is I intentionally made them a little bit bigger than they need to be, because this is what life teaches us. It's hard to add material, easier to take it away if it's too big. So that's that. Those we're gonna now move through the wood shop. You can see the dust down there, which means I'm busy. This is my leftover stock that I used, and these are the dimensions of the units, 20 inches. I ended up going with two 20-inch doors, by the way. At first I wanted just this 18-inch to tuck in here, but it just seemed to make sense to make them both 20 inches, and they're going to be able to slide either way. All right, so and 32 inches up that way. All right, so let's go ahead and here's the product. I'm not sponsored by this company. This Pro Finish. And that's going to go in between the bricks. And I have, I don't know if it's called a pointer or what it is, but I have the unit that's going to set that in there. That's this right here. Okay, you can pick this up at your home center. So that's how that works. There's 2 different sizes. So that's that. Those doors are going to go right here, get installed there. I chose this, I'm not sponsored by this company, National Hardware bifold door. So this is the type of rail system you would put for folding, but I'm not folding, I'm just sliding along. All right, so that's that. And in the event I didn't get the rollers that I expect inside that box, these are going to be options to put on to the doors. And these are your typical little simple inset knobs that we'll be putting into the doors. So let me catch you up on what I've been doing here. Let's start right here. I put in a 2-inch or so ledge around this area here. I'm still gotta cut one out, put one here, and then bring it across here. And that'll finish off the top of the beadboard, which I installed yesterday or a couple days ago. So that's that. In order to secure this little shelf here, I went and ripped and cut this piece here. I'll putty that in later on, and that makes this ledge very, very strong. Now that we're over this area, I took out my homemade, shop-made toilet paper dispenser because it takes too much room sitting on the floor. And I got this. I thought this is pretty cool. You can set your phone there while you're doing your thing. Kind of nasty if you think about it, but let's be honest, who's not doing that? So I thought that was very, very cool decision to get this unit here. Very quick release. I like that a lot. So you don't have to mess around with that. What else do we do in here? I put this ledge in to as to receive or allow the doors just to slide along a flat surface, because underneath this we have this board here that stepped down to here. So from here to here, I needed to basically do something to level this off. Okay, so that's what that's all about. So I think that's then just a lot of cleanup on the studs. So I think that's all I got at this point. And I need to, this is video number 2 in this little half bath mini series. And it's a lot of fun to attack a project and really not know what it is you're going to do and how you're going to do it. I like that. I put new sheetrock up here. So that is another thing I did. It took all of a minute. I didn't set the screws just yet because I got plenty of time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, obviously I had to take the sink. This is a corner sink. I had to take that off in order to get the beadboard on. So previously through the years I just had a piece of cloth that went across like this. And so there you go. So one of the first things I noticed, which is going to be good for us in the wintertime, is it's a lot warmer in this cavity because I kind of closed it in. And so there's that. That'll be nice in the wintertime. So you can come down here, and I've not ever had a problem with freezing pipes. But, you know, that being said, it's going to be nice to be a little bit warmer. All right. Thank you for watching. We're going to do our usual goodbyes. Shalom uv'chel kol chaverim sheli b'Eretz Yisrael v'olam. Goodbye to my friends. That's Hebrew in Israel. Masalami. That's Arabic. Goodbye. And Totzins, Afrikaans. Goodbye. Arrivederci. We know that one. And au revoir. And the last one, Chinese. Zaijian. That would be mainland China and or Thailand. So thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Continue to watch the series because, you know, I've got more work to do in this area here. And God bless. Take care. Stay safe out there.